Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can pay Skyro and 7-Eleven. So here I'm on the official website of Skyro. So here is how you can pay your Skyro. So you just have to tap on the see all options, but here is how you can pay it. Step number one is go to your home screen, tap on the tap on the block with your loan rather. So you click on this one right here and then tap on make payment. And then from here, you have three options, which is e-wallet, online bank, or over the counter. So you click on over the counter, and from here at the bottom, you will see on how you can pay with over the counter. So this one. So let's say 7-Elevens. So here, so to pay your Skyro loan offline, you go directly to any of your payment partners for over-the-counter payments, including 7-Eleven. So once you're there, you just have to follow the steps right here. Step number one is before approaching the counter, generate a barcode in Skyro application first. So show this code to the cashier to pay. Now, if you don't have the application, use your static reference number or the SRN from the SMS that you got on your Skyro loan approval day. Now, the SRN is a unique code to pay your loan, so you will have it there on your SMS. Now, for faster and easier payments, the Skyro recommend using the Skyro application to get your barcode. So you can just download the application for easier transaction. Now, you just have to show that to the cashier, your barcode or SRN, and then you can pay at 7-Eleven in two ways, which is via cashier and click machine. So, if paying via cashier, you choose Zendit as the biller name. Now, if paying via click, choose with the Pay Express Loans. So, for all over the counter channels, just choose Pay Express Loans, Zendit, or Dragon Pay as the biller name. And then step number three is to pay the full amount in cash, including the fee. And then you keep your receipt safe as proof of payment. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can pay Skyro and 7-Eleven. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!